Okay, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic, phenols. What is phenols? What is their chemical formula? How to write their structures? All these things uh, today we are going to discuss. Okay, first, what is phenol? Phenol is formed when a hydrogen atom is replaced by hydroxyl group in aromatic ring. Okay, to form phenol. This is the aromatic ring of benzene. Replace one hydrogen atom by hydroxyl group to form phenol. Phenol is further classified as mono, di and trihydric alcohols. Phenol. If one OH group is present in this ring, this is the monohydric alcohols. If two OH group present in the adjacent carbon atom, this is the dihydric phenol. OH group present in three different carbon atoms, this is the trihydric phenols. So you say that the simplest hydroxy derivatives of benzene is phenol. It is a common name and also accepted IUPAC name. Okay, phenol, their common name and IUPAC name are same. The substituted compound of phenol term as ortho, meta, para. Dear students, ortho means 1,2 disubstituted product, meta means 1,3 disubstituted product, and para means 1,4 disubstituted product. You see here some common name and IUPAC name. This is the phenol, their common name or IUPAC name same. This is the orthocarisol. Their common name is orthocarisol, but their IUPAC name is 2-methyl phenol. Metacarisol, but their IUPAC name is 3-methyl phenol. Pyracarisol, and their IUPAC name is 4-methyl phenol. Okay. Dihydroxy derivatives of benzene are known as 1,2, 1,3 and 1,4 benzene diol. This is the benzene 1,2 diol and their common name catechol. If OH group is present in 1,3, that is the meta position, their name is resorcinol and their IUPAC name benzene 1,3 diol. This is the quinol or hydroquinone. The hydroxy group present 1 and 4 position, so their name will be benzene 1,4 diol. Then we discuss about the preparation of phenol. How to prepare phenol, dear students? Phenol are known as carbolic acid. Okay, which type of acid? Carbolic acid. Phenol is prepared by the following methods. The most important method is from haloarenes. When chlorobenzene is fused with sodium hydroxide at a 623 K and 320 atmospheric pressure to form sodium phenoxide, which is acidified to form phenol. You see here the example. This is the chlorobenzene fused with sodium hydroxide at 623 K at 300 atmospheric pressure. Then remove HCl molecules and to form sodium phenoxide, C6H5ONA. Their name will be sodium phenoxide. Okay, students. This sodium phenoxide further acidified with HCl. So this lone pair of electron can accept H plus ion and to form phenol and remove NaCl. This is the one is most important method to the preparation of phenol. And let us now discuss second method. From benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene is sulfonated with oleum to give benzene sulfonic acid first, then which further react with sodium hydroxide and acid to give phenol. Okay, this is the benzene and their chemical formula of oleum H2S2O7. How to write their formula? HSO4 dash HSO3, H2S2 and 4 plus 3 7. So this HSO3 can get transfer either any position in benzene ring to form benzene sulfonic acid. This benzene sulfonic acid further react with sodium hydroxides and acid to directly produce phenol. Okay, to directly produce phenol. And third methods, from diazonium salt. What is diazonium salt? How to prepare first diazonium salt? Dear students, when a primary aromatic amines reacts with nitrous acid, NaNO2 plus HCl, this is the form of nitrous acid, at 273 to 278 K to form benzene diazonium salt, are further hydrolyzed with warm water to give phenol. Okay, C6H5NH2, this is the primary aromatic amine, react with nitrous acid. HNO2 is known as nitrous acid. So this is the mixture of sodium nitrite plus hydrochloric acid to form C6N2 plus Cl minus benzene diazonium chloride, which is hydrolyzed with warm water to form phenol plus nitrogen gas plus hydrochloric acid. And last method for the prepare phenol, from cumene. Cumene is also known as isopropyl benzene. Okay, this is the isopropyl. The second position have one methyl group, so it is known as iso. Cumene is oxidized in the presence of air to cumene hydroperoxide. This is the hydroperoxide. It is converted to phenol and acetone. This is hydrolyzed in the presence of water to form phenol plus acetone. Okay. So this is the examples of cumene are oxidized in the presence of air to form cumene hydroperoxide, which is hydrolyzed to form phenol. Okay, this one is form phenol, and CH3COCH3 is the acetone. Okay, students. Okay, let us now discuss about the chemical reaction of phenol. First, we talk about the acidity of phenols. Reactions with metals. Generally, phenol reacts with active metals such as sodium, potassium and aluminium to give phenoxide and hydrogen gas. For example, phenol react with sodium, so it produces H2 gas, and this Na is achieved with lone pair to form sodium phenoxide. Phenol further react with sodium hydroxide in aqueous to form sodium phenoxide plus water. You see here all the phenol in both condition lose H plus ion, so it so acidic in nature. Okay. The hydroxyl group of phenol is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene ring, which act as an electron withdrawing group. Due to this, the charge distribution in phenol as depicted in its resonance structure cause OH group is positive. You see here the resonating structure of phenol. The number of lone pair present in oxygen atom is 2, So one lone pair electron can transfer of electron and formation of bond, and this multiple bond can transfer continue either ortho position, para position and ortho position, and this is the complete resonating structure of phenol. You see here the reaction of phenol with aqueous NaOH indicates that phenol are a stronger acid than alcohols and water. For example, ionization of alcohols and phenols. This is the alcohols. So this is the ionization part, RO minus plus H plus. Alcohols, this is the phenoxide ion plus H plus. In phenols, the higher electronegativity of sp2 hybridized carbon of phenol to which OH is attached, then electron density decreases. The electron density is decreases, the polarity of OH bond and increase in ionization of phenol than that of alcohols. So phenol is a stronger acid than alcohols. Okay students, thank you for watching this video.